I want to know your fear. Me, you want lok la beef, yellow noodle, fried rice with seafood, fried rice pineapple with the seafood. It's all over, yeah.
It depends on the price.
This one $2, lok la beef $3, but local meat, local, yeah.
This is pork.
Yes, $4.
$4.
Yeah,
Why?
$4.
And real?
16,000 real. So cheap, not expensive.
No. This is very expensive. What is your name?
My name Aly Baba.
Aly Baba?
Yeah.
That's a nice name, Aly Baba. And how long have you been working
I've been here before COVID.
Before COVID?
Yeah.
You're making good money?
Not good. COVID is not good
Just
money.
tell the
Yeah,
truth. Just tell the
yeah.
truth.
And we so sad because
Really?
COVID, yeah.
But-
But right now, okay, we still happy. Because
Okay.
there are have tourists and have customer enjoy in my Siem Reap province.
Okay, so they bring
We
for
get
your dollars. Yeah, that's
We
good.
get job and then we can earn money to bring my daughter to school, my son
Oh
school.
yeah, I like that. I like that you're taking your children to school. That's very good. You're
Yeah.
working very
We
hard.
working for the family.
Okay.
Because
And-
we get business.
yeah.
Like new. Hello.